Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back again with another holiday recipe. I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious pineapple glazed ham. Now this is the ham that I have. It's spiraled, already sliced, and this is just perfect because that glaze will get deep down inside of the ham and be super delicious. So to get started, I'll go ahead and remove the plastic and the wrapping, and the ham came with this package of seasoning or whatever it is, but I will not be using that. I'll be making my own pineapple glaze to go over top of the ham. And while I was cutting the ham, I realized it had some fluid inside of the plastic and I didn't want to soil my counter up, so I took it quickly to the sink and I give it a good rinse and place it inside of the baking tray that I'll be using. I like to use disposable pans for this because with the honey and the glaze and all that stuff, you don't want, to mess up your good baking pans, and the cleanup process is much more easy. So what we'll do is add some butter and pineapple juice to our pan, and we will place this inside of a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. But before we do that, we'll cover the ham with some foil wrap just to trap all the moisture and keep the ham from drying out. And we'll place it inside of the oven for about 2 hours. Now your cooking time might vary depending on the size of your ham. Just check the instructions on, the packaging that comes with the ham. It gives you all the instructions with the time and stuff that you need to cook your ham. So while the ham is in the oven, we'll go ahead and make our glaze for the ham. And here I have some honey. I have pineapple jam. It looks this way because it was kind of chunky and I pureed it so it could become like a smoother consistency. That's why it looks that way. And I have some pineapple juice. I have butter, balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, Dijon mustard. I have some chili paste, garlic, and ginger paste. And for the spices, I have cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So in a medium-sized saucepan, I did add my butter and I'll allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll go in with our garlic and ginger paste and our chili paste. We will mix it around a bit and allow it to go for like a few seconds, not too long because we don't want them to burn. Next, we'll add all the rest of our ingredients. We'll give it a good mix and let it come up to a simmer. We will let it simmer until it thickens up. Once it thickens up, we'll turn the heat off and set it aside. It is super simple and easy to make this, but it is absolutely delicious. And after about 2 hours, this is how our ham is looking. It smells amazing already. And if you look closely, you can see all the juices that a ham released. I will not be using that. I will pour it off and continue with the process. But if you want to use it, you can add it to your glaze. After we pour the contents off, I will go ahead and glaze the ham with that yummy glaze that we made. You want to make sure you get that glaze all up and through that ham. Make sure you pour it generously in between all of the slices. This is why I like the spiraled ham, because it comes already sliced and you can get your glaze all over the ham instead of just brushing the glaze just on the top part and then the glaze doesn't get inside of your ham. Like when you get a ham that's not sliced, you don't fully get to glaze the ham. And that's why I like the sliced ones, because you get the glaze all over it. And once we've done this, we will place this back into the oven for about 20 minutes. This time we will bump the heat up to 450 degrees and we will glaze this every 5 minutes until the 20 minutes is up, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious pineapple glazed ham. This is perfect for your holiday table. Your entire family will be amazed. My family enjoyed this. We had it for breakfast, we had it for lunch and dinner. It was that good. But just take a look at how moist, juicy and tender this ham is. I could just pull it apart just like that. Perfect. Now, I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!